Hey guys, welcome in a 2026 video on the actual differences between the Free Pro and Pro Plus and what you can actually expect out of all of these and which I would recommend for both. So primarily like the GitHub Copilot was like very good, but when the Opus 4.5 came from Claude, the Copilot went a little bit downhill and it's not that effective comparing what it used to be. So it's still okay. But just something to be aware of. So with a free account, you can have 50 agent on mode chat requests per month, 2,000 completions per month, and access to Haiku 4.5, GPT 4.1 and more. So it's kind of like very limited because you have, it's like a demo or like very casual coding. And you can have like 2,000 completions per month. Really depends what you want to do, but that's something that you have to kind of like expect. So the Pro account right here, provide access to premium models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT 4. And GPT right now 5 right here, the mini. So access to models from Anthropic, Google, OpenAI and more. And it's like way better. And you can have with the free more limited selections. With the Pro you have more. So then you can have also the Pro Plus, and with the Pro Plus what you can actually expect, you can have access to all models including like Claude, Opus 4.1 and more, and even like 5x more premium requests than Pro, and also access to GitHub Spark if you like need that. So the free one, if you're like student, if you're kind of like hobbyist or occasional coder that you want to like check things out, you can even go with the cursor, by the way, and that's something that you can try to do. And the paid, if you code like more hours a day. And so if you want to like program more, go with the Pro Plus, but definitely check the Claude Opus 4.5, like the Claude code, and also check out the cursor. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day.